Hey everyone, today we are checking out the high-performance mini bike pump and bottle holder bundle. This compact aluminum pump delivers 100 psi with 30% fewer strokes than standard models. An integrated pressure gauge ensures your tires reach the perfect inflation level for every single ride. The flexible air hose stores neatly inside the handle to keep the tool lightweight and portable. You also get a sturdy water bottle holder that keeps your drink secure on bumpy trails. It fits most bottle sizes thanks to a flexible design that adjusts for a snug, reliable fit. Upgrade your cycling gear with this durable dupe designed for both road and mountain bike adventures. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.